Now,
start now.
welcome.
Okay, welcome.
Then you need to enter a password. If the pin is wrong,
Enter the wrong one.
if you entered the wrong one, you're not gonna go in. The gate won't open. If you enter the correct one, the gate will open. So
if
enter.
you enter the wrong one, the alarm will activate the
Yes, and the red LED will flash.
Okay, now show your work.
So
Enter the
let's
wrong
just
one.
enter the wrong one. These are the wrong pins.
Oh, LED on.
So the security, the officer will be coming around.
And then it says access denied. Press any key to exit. So which means there's no way for you to go inside, and then it loops again. It comes back to welcome, and then let's try to enter the correct one this time.
Okay, let's see.
5, 2, 3, 1.
Okay,
The gate
is opening.
Then someone is here.
Someone is here.
All right.
As long as they're still here,
All right.
Yeah.
it won't move.
Yeah,
I'm
Alright.
talking to the officer.
All right.
Yes.
Then I move.
Alright.
I pass.
Pass. Let's see.
Then the
Pass,
gate will close.
Oh, the gate
That's
is
what we
closing.
call tailgating.
Oh,
Yes,
wow,
smart
beautiful.
gates, smart gates.